Hello, I'm Katie Jerram Hunnable. I'm Renwick Sons Showing Ambassador. I'm here today to talk you through using the kit. Also featuring the Monotech bristle, the Flick Brush. It's a fantastic brush. 3 different bristles, firmer, slightly softer, and then to the outside softer. Really useful after your dandy brush. Your dandy brush is firmer, it lifts the dirt to the top, this then flicks it out. And the odd little bits that we don't get out with this brush gets to the bottom of the dirt, flicks it before the body brush. I love it. After work, you've worked your horses, it's sweaty, it's dried off, this flicks the hair back into the right direction. It's useful between the legs, between the back leg, and if you've got hairy horses, traditional cobs, things with hairier legs, it's lovely. It works into that hair on the leg without being too hard, but firm enough to get to the bottom of the grease. It's very, very useful, nice, super hand grip. Again, thumb, first finger, super hold, and then relaxing for the rest of the hand. As in all the Renwick brushes, it really is really nice to use. It's a good size and perfect for a man or a woman.